You've seen iShowSpeed's wild reaction to the Huawei Mate XT, but there's more to this phone than just its eye-watering $3,000 price tag. With the tech world buzzing about the S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max, what makes the Mate XT so irresistible to a top-tier streamer like Speed? Let's dig into what truly sets this tri-fold device apart. Unlike most foldables that only target design hype, the Mate XT stands out for its next-level productivity tools. The phone's advanced AI extends beyond split-screen convenience, allowing up to 4 apps to run simultaneously, each adjusting dynamically to your habits and workflow, a standout feature for content creators who need all their tools and chats visible at once. The centerpiece, a unique tri-fold triple-screen design, delivers more than a massive 10.2-inch canvas. It's also adaptable. Fold it twice for one-handed use, or partially open it to a 7.9-inch display, perfect for vlogging or streaming from anywhere. This flexibility outpaces the static approach of even the largest flagship screens. Don't overlook hardware. Where Samsung and Apple focus on display tech, Huawei's priority is versatility. While you still get a vibrant, high-res OLED screen, it's the onboard sensors, 3-hinge system for precise folds, and the phone's slim shape, even when collapsed, that drive the experience. The Mate XT's Kirin 9010 chipset, 16GB RAM, and blazing fast storage support not only smooth multitasking, but also power-hungry games and streaming apps with zero lag. And with seamless Wi-Fi 6 and 5G, your uploads and live streams stay fast, even on the move. Now the battery. The 5,600 mAh silicon carbon battery is the biggest in its class. An adaptive AI, not just to save power, but to extend battery health by analyzing and tweaking charging patterns, keeping speed online longer with less frequent top-ups, and supporting 66 watts wired plus rapid wireless charging for creators who live on the go. A triple lens setup with a 50-megapixel ultra aperture main sensor, 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. What truly elevates it is real-time AI scene detection, which instantly adapts to challenging light or color conditions, ideal for spontaneous streaming and dynamic content, capturing fans' reactions in sharp detail. In real-world use, streamers like iShowSpeed love the Mate XT for its ability to keep production, audience engagement, and gaming all active in one hand. Samsung and Apple might edge out on raw performance metrics, but the Mate XT makes multitasking, flexibility, and on-the-fly creativity its mission, qualities that are gold for digital entertainers. While the $3,000 investment is significant compared to the S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're paying for more than specs. You're paying for a leap in form factor, creative possibilities, and advanced AI tools. For creators, power users, and anyone eager for a futuristic mobile experience, the Mate XT stands in a league of its own. If you enjoyed the breakdown, like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Would you take a bet on the trifold or stick with a conventional flagship? Let us know and stay tuned for more tech insights. We'll see you in the next video.